Going to get a little more practice today. You got today, tomorrow, and Monday before we take that check-in. So, one of the things you see all three grade levels in middle school are problems similar to this, or equations similar to this. You have in this case, a phone plan that costs $19.99 each month and 6 cents per minute of use, and we need the equation. So 6th, 7th, and 8th grade, you'll see equations like this. Go ahead and try to get that equation. All right, who can give me the correct equation? Shane? That'll work. So C equals, I'm changing the order on what he had a little bit. 6 cents M plus $19.99. That is the order it'll usually be written in. He said the $19.99 plus the 6 cents M. Does not matter. Typically, you'll see the variable part first, though. The reason it works this way, one, it says 6 cents per minute. What that means is the 6 cents per means we're multiplying. It's 6 cents per minute, so it's 6 times the minutes. M is the minutes. So we got to have this 6 cents multiplied with the minutes. The other thing you really look for is your two variables. We got the cost C and the M minutes. One of those is going to be a total when you have two variables. So one of them has to be what it's equal to. That's usually the total amount, or a lot of cases it's cost. So cost equals, and then the other stuff. If you're finding a total, you would add the numbers together. That's why we add the $19.99. Any questions on that one? All right, find the equation for that table. I know all got calculators today, but you should be able to do that without. Remember, if you're finding an equation, you should have y equals something times x for this. Nelly, what you got? Y equals 8.3x is correct. How do we find that? We divide. You got to take one of your matching pairs. I would use that one, especially without a calculator. It's just smaller numbers. If you wanted, this one down here is whole numbers. 83 divided by 10. You still have to get a decimal for your answer, but you at least start with a whole number. Or, obviously, you could use this one also if you wanted. It just has to be the x and the y that go together. Is the table always going to say x and y at the top? No. But the way you know which one's which, it works just like with ordered pairs. We got x and then y. Okay? So when you do the division, the y value goes first if you got a calculator. So 41.5 divided by 5. Or if you're working it out, the y value goes on the inside. So you'd have y divided by x. Okay? Any questions on that one?